Which Binance product do I use the most? There are actually two of them. One of them I set on autopilot and let it make money for me. And the second one I use almost every day. Let's start with the second one, which is the Binance P2P. So why do I use and prefer the Binance P2P? There are actually 5 reasons. And number 5 is the major reason I still use it till today. So starting from the top, one is first mover advantage. Binance is the first crypto trading platform to integrate a P2P market. Now, before this, you have to go to a P2P only platform while being careful of potential scammers in this platform. Then you send that crypto to Binance to trade. Binance has made this easy. And in Nigeria, it was done just before the CBN stopped bank integration with crypto platforms. So transition to Binance P2P was really smooth. The second reason is reputation and security. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange by trade volume, be it sports, derivative, and P2P. There has never been a case of a hack or misappropriation of users' funds. In Nigeria, where P2P is really huge, Binance P2P has the highest share of this market. So whatever volume of crypto you want to buy or sell for Naira, your order will be filled. Number 3 reason is the Nigerian economy. Now, if you live in Nigeria, you will understand what I'm talking about. The Naira is losing value like it's on a free fall contest, and it has lost over 60% of its value this year alone. Binance P2P makes it really easy to convert your Naira to USDT and USDT to Naira really fast. I personally make my earnings in dollars and only convert what I need to Naira using the P2P. This shields me from the failing Naira. Number 4, ease of use. Once you have everything set up, all you have to do is to tap. Say you want to sell USDT for Naira, you move your USDT to the funding account, select a buyer, and place the order. Once you receive the alert in your bank account, you can confirm with Face ID. Really easy. Number 5, which is what you've been waiting for, is better rates. Compared to other P2P platforms, you can buy at a better rate and sell at a better rate, especially if you're doing big volumes. This is the reason I mostly use the Binance P2P platform. You can confirm this by comparing the rates on Binance P2P with other exchanges. Before I end this, the other product I also use a lot is the Binance Auto Invest. Binance is also the first to implement this, and it has been improved and made better over and over again. It lets you to invest in crypto gem coins and selected crypto portfolios, even with very small amounts of money and bit by bit. I have made a video about this. You can check it out here. And this particular video is my reality with the Binance P2P. And I will use this video as well for the Binance What is Crypto Challenge. Details in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.